So to find the inverse of the function, either if it's a y or f of x, you're going to interchange these two. If this is an f of x, you're going to first change it to a y, and then you're going to interchange your y and x. So now your y becomes an x, and your x becomes a y, and you're going to solve for your y. So first things, we're going to get rid of the square root by squaring both sides, because that's the property that undoes each other. So now we have x squared y plus 6. We subtract 6 to both sides, and we have x squared minus 6 is equal to y. So that means our inverse function, y inverse, is equal to x squared minus 6. And this would be our solution. How do we verify that we have found the correct inverse? What we have to do is we have to do the composition of y inverse of x, and we have to get x. And we have to do y inverse of y of x and get x. And if the composition of both give us x, then we have verified the inverse. These next problems you did independently, and then we just checked it with what I was doing, but just in case, we're going to interchange the y and the x. So my y becomes an x and my x becomes a y, and we're going to solve for y. So we do the opposite operation to both sides. We get x plus 9 equals 3y, divide both sides by 3, and then we get that the inverse function is x plus 9 divided by 3, or x over 3 plus 3. For this problem, we do the same thing. We're going to interchange our x and our y. So our y became x and our x became y. We could do this two ways. You either cross multiply, or you could multiply both sides by y plus 2, which is technically the same thing. And then we are going to divide the x to the right side, because you want to solve for y. And you get 1 over x. Subtract the 2 from both sides, and you get your inverse y is 1 over x minus 2. And you guys did this one independently right before the bell rang, so I'm just going to show you the answer right there.